This video shows how to use command line to find the differences between two directory trees in Linux. For example, you have many directories and with in different files, and you just want to compare two directories so as to know the content of each and compare that to the content of the other. So there is a way to do that. So let me show you how to do that. For example, I have a directory which is the home directory. So let's first of all see the content. So these are the directories I have inside the home directory. So I want to compare two folders, which is the CAT directory, which is the cat directory, and the cake boss directory. So to do that, I need a command line. The command line to use is the diff command. So which is diff minus R, then which is the first directory and the second directory. I am using this option of R because I want to have a comparison row by row of each of the two folders. So when I press enter, you will discover that it has done the comparison. For example, it is saying that this particular file only appears in this folder and this only appears in this other folder. So that is how to do that. I can also use these two options, which is diff. I am combining two options to do that, then cat, then cake boss. So this gives me the same option. Now I can also do this, for example, if I want to compare two files. So for example, in this cat folder, so let's look at what we have in that area. So for example, if I go to the cat folder, so let's see what I have there. So these are the files I have in that particular directory. For example, I can compare two of the folders. For example, I want to compare file2 and file3.txt. So to do that, I'm going to have the same command, which is the diff brave r, then file2.txt and file3.txt. So in this particular case, you will discover that it is telling me that those two files are not the same. They don't contain the same thing. So that is what it only tells me. But what if I want to have the content of each one? That means compare the content to really see the differences in that. So to do that, I'm going to be using the R option for the diff command. So which is going to be diff, then the R option, then file2.txt and file3.txt. Now you will discover that it is now showing me the differences between the two of them so that I can see the difference. In file 2, I have this. In file 3, I have this. So that shows that there is a difference between the two files I have here on the system. So that is a very good way of comparing the differences between directory trees and also the differences between files you have on your server.